Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can change the caller ID on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let's get to our topic. And first of all, open the phone settings on your iPhone. And then, folks, you'll need to go to your Apple ID. Next, select Personal Information. And here click on Name. And you can change your first name and last name. After you have made all the changes here that you need to make, click in the upper right-hand corner, Done, and the changes will be made. But let me tell you right away that this kind of caller ID, it only works when you call a person for the first time. And he doesn't have your number yet, that is, he hasn't signed you in his own way on his phone yet. So when you call the first person, you'll be already signed to them, so they can sort of recognize you. But if it is some contact who has already signed you in his own way on his phone, then if you change your name in the caller ID, it will not change the way you are signed on someone's phone. This is the way, friends, you will be able to change the caller ID on your iPhone. I hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.